Continuing coverage on the murder of 11-year-old Letecia Stauch. His death rocked the Colorado Springs community 6 months ago. His stepmother sits in the El Paso County Jail accused of killing him and dumping his body along a freeway in Florida. Now, Letecia Stauch claims she's being mistreated in jail. KRDO News Channel 13's Crystal Story is live outside the Criminal Justice Center tonight with what this letter could mean for her case. Crystal.
Heather, the court has not decided if Letecia Stauch is competent to stand trial yet, but this letter certainly shows that she is coherent and aware of the processes happening around her. In 4 pages, Letecia Stauch told the judge her rights are being violated. She penned a letter from inside the El Paso County Jail claiming injured ribs, threats in her peanut butter, and coercion. But her words could be hurting her case.
This is not something I would ever advise my clients to do.
Colorado Springs criminal defense attorney Jeremy Lowe says not only does the judge in this case not have authority to change anything in the jail, but by writing him, the prosecution now gets a look at what she's thinking and whether she's really incompetent to stand trial.
Anything that's written in these letters can absolutely be used against the defendant as the case proceeds. She came across very coherent in the beginning of the letter. She started rambling towards the middle and then returned to coherency at the end of the letter.
If the trial moves forward, her chances for the change of venue outside of Colorado might be lost.
Judge Warner, who's the judge associated with this case, can potentially look at this letter and say, you're bringing more media attention to this case. We don't need to change the venue if you're going to be doing that.
Now, nowhere in the letter does Letecia Stauch say Gannon's name, but she does allude to knowing who did it, but doesn't give any details on what actually happened. Her next court date has not been scheduled yet. For now, we're live outside the El Paso County Jail. Crystal Story, KRDO News Channel 13.